Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase Amazon sales. Now, increasing your sales in Amazon requires a combination of effective strategies and continuous optimization. Here are some actionable tips to help you boost your sales. First off, you're going to have to optimize your product listing, and there are a couple of ways to optimize a product listing. Number one, use keyword research. So use tools like Amazon's keyword tool or other keyword research tools to find relevant keywords. Include these keywords in your product title, bullet points, and description. Then add compelling titles. Write clear and descriptive titles that highlight the most important features and benefits of your product. Also, provide detailed and engaging product descriptions that address potential customer questions and showcase the value of your product. Then, use high-resolution images that showcase your product from different angles. Include lifestyle images showing the product in use. The second step is to set competitive pricing. How do you do that? Research competitors. So from here, check similar products in your category to ensure your pricing is competitive. Consider using tools like Camel to track price history. Offer limited time discounts or promotions to entice buyers. You can use Amazon's Promotions Manager for this. The third tip is to leverage Amazon advertising. By one, using sponsored products, and two, using sponsored brands. How do you use sponsored products? So use Amazon sponsored products to increase visibility in search results. Set a budget and target specific keywords relevant to your product. For sponsored brands, if you have multiple products, consider using sponsored brands to promote your brand and direct customers to your Amazon storefront. The fourth tip is to encourage customer review. Cannot be overemphasized. And how do you do that? You can do that by requesting feedback. So after a sale, send a follow-up email via Amazon's messaging system, politely requesting customers to leave a review. Then provide excellent customer service. Prompt and helpful customer service can lead to positive reviews, boosting your product's credibility. Also, utilize Amazon Prime and FBA. So fulfillment by Amazon, that's the FBA, means you enroll your product in FBA to offer Prime shipping, which can significantly increase sales due to the appeal of fast, free shipping. Then Prime Day and special events will also help. To participate in Amazon Prime Day and other sales events to gain increased visibility and sales. The sixth point is to enhance your storefront. And how do you do that? Create an Amazon storefront. If you have a professional account, create a storefront to showcase your brand and products. Use high quality visuals and organized categories to improve the shopping experience. And then, of course, do brand storytelling. Use a storefront to tell your brand story, connecting emotionally with customers. The seventh tip is to monitor performance metrics by analyzing sales data. And how do you analyze sales data? Regularly review your sales data in Seller Central to identify trends and areas for improvement, and also use A or B testing by experimenting with different titles, images, and prices to see what resonates best with your audience. The eighth point is to expand your product range by identifying trends. So research trending products in your niche and consider expanding your offerings to meet customer demand. Also, bundle products. Create bundles of related products at a discount to increase average order value. The ninth point is to engage with social media influencers. So social media promotion is cool. Use social media platforms to promote your Amazon listings, share engaging content and special offers. Then, of course, adopt the influencer collaboration idea. Partner with influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience and build credibility. The 10th point is to utilize Amazon's promotions. Use coupons and deals. Create coupons and special deals to attract price-sensitive customers. Then use lightning deals. Participate in Amazon lightning deals to create urgency and boost sales during limited time promotions. Implementing these strategies can help you enhance your visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately increase your sales in Amazon. So continuously analyze your performance and adapt your approach based on what works best for your specific product and audience. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.